1 million views. It's a number that many creators dream of reaching. It's a testament to the hard work, creativity, and dedication that goes into making content that resonates with an audience. But what does it really mean to hit this milestone? It's a magical number on YouTube. It signifies that your content has struck a chord with a large number of people. It's not just about the views, it's about the connection you've made with your audience. Each view represents someone who has taken the time to watch your video, to engage with your content, and to become a part of your community. It means you've created something people love. The comments section is filled with positive feedback, and the likes and shares are a testament to the impact your content has had. It's a moment of validation, a sign that your efforts are paying off. But it's also just the beginning. It means you're on the right track. It's a huge accomplishment. Celebrating this milestone is important because it acknowledges the hard work and perseverance that got you here. But it's also a reminder that there's still a long way to go. The journey doesn't end at 1 million views. In many ways, it's just getting started. But it doesn't automatically mean money. Many creators are surprised to find that even with a large number of views, the financial rewards can be elusive. The YouTube algorithm, ad revenue, and sponsorship deals all play a role in how much money you can make. It's a complex system that requires more than just high view counts to navigate successfully. Don't worry, we'll get there. It's important to stay focused and not get discouraged. There are strategies and techniques that can help you turn those views into revenue. It's about understanding the platform, knowing your audience, and creating content that not only attracts views, but also generates income. First, let's talk about why so many creators struggle to turn views into cash. The journey to monetization is filled with challenges, but with the right approach, it's possible to overcome them. We'll explore the common pitfalls and provide tips on how to maximize your earnings. So, let's dive in and start turning those views into real, tangible success. If you find this content helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on turning your views into revenue. Let's get started. Here's the deal. YouTube is about more than just views. It's about connection. It's about building a community. Many creators focus on the wrong things. They chase trends. They forget about their audience. They don't treat their channel like a business. Ready to make some money? There are 3 main ways to monetize your YouTube channel. First, ad revenue. Get paid when people watch ads on your videos. Second, sponsorships. Partner with brands to promote their products. And third, merchandise. Sell your own awesome stuff. Know you've been a good friend. Before you start counting your dollars, remember this. Your audience is everything. Engage with them, respond to comments, ask for their opinions, build a relationship. This is key for long-term success. Alright, let's dive into some simple tips for maximizing your ad revenue. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, these strategies can help you make the most out of your efforts. First things first, enable ads on your videos. This might seem obvious, but it's a crucial step that some creators overlook. By enabling ads, you open up a stream of revenue that can significantly boost your earnings. This is a no-brainer, really. It's a simple action that can have a big impact. Just go to your YouTube studio, navigate to the monetization tab, and make sure ads are enabled for all your eligible videos. Next, focus on creating high-quality content that keeps people watching. The more engaging your content, the longer viewers will stay, and the more ads they'll see. This means more revenue for you. The longer they stay, the better it is for your ad revenue. Watch time is a key metric that YouTube uses to determine the success of your videos. The more watch time you accumulate, the more likely YouTube is to promote your content. Speaking of which, longer videos mean more ad space. If your videos are over 10 minutes long, you can place multiple ad breaks, which can significantly increase your revenue. But remember, don't just stretch your content for the sake of it, but hey, don't sacrifice quality for length. Your audience can tell when you're padding your videos and it can turn them off. Instead, focus on delivering value and making every minute count. It's all about finding that perfect balance. You want to create content that's long enough to include multiple ads, but also engaging enough to keep your viewers watching until the end. This balance is key to maximizing your ad revenue. Another important tip is to optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos get discovered. The more views you get, the more potential ad revenue you can earn. promote your videos on social media, and engage with your audience. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they'll become, and the more likely they are to watch your videos in full and share them with others. Finally, keep an eye on your analytics. Regularly review your video performance to see what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your content strategy and make informed decisions that can help you maximize your ad revenue. By following these simple tips, you can make the most out of your ad revenue and take your content creation to the next level. Remember, it's all about creating value for your audience and making smart decisions based on data. So get out there, start creating, and watch your ad revenue grow. Happy content creating. Section 6. Sponsorships. Finding brands that fit your channel. Once you have a decent following, brands will start noticing you. Choose sponsorships that align with your channel and audience. Be authentic. Don't promote products you don't believe in. Section 7. Merch. From t-shirts to digital products. Got a loyal fan base? Sell them something cool. T-shirts, hats, mugs, phone cases, the possibilities are endless. You can even sell digital products like ebooks or online courses. Section 8. Building a community. The secret sauce to long-term success. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, run contests and giveaways, create a sense of belonging. A strong community will support you, buy your merch, and watch your videos. Section 9. Million views, million thanks. It's about the journey. Reaching 1 million views is a significant milestone for any content creator. It's a moment of joy, a moment of validation, and a moment to celebrate with your audience. But it's important to remember that this is just one step in a much larger journey. Hitting 1 million views is amazing. It's a testament to your hard work, creativity, and the connection you've built with your audience. Each view represents a person who has taken the time to engage with your content, to be part of your story. It's a moment to reflect on the journey that brought you here, the late nights, the brainstorming sessions, the countless hours of editing and refining your craft. But remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. The journey of a content creator is filled with ups and downs, moments of triumph and moments of doubt. It's about persistence, resilience, and the passion that drives you to keep going even when the going gets tough. Just like a marathon, it requires endurance, patience, and a long-term vision. Each step you take, each piece of content you create, brings you closer to your goals. Focus on creating great content, connecting with your audience, and building a community. The money will follow. Keep creating, keep hustling, and never give up. The true reward lies in the relationships you build, the impact you make, and the joy of doing what you love. Celebrate your milestones, but always keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Your journey is unique and every step is worth celebrating. So keep pushing forward, keep innovating, and remember, it's about the journey, not just the destination. Hit the like button and subscribe.